And still at the JLP conference, with over 1,000 persons being murdered in Jamaica since the start of the year, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is moving full speed ahead with the plans to develop a ministry which focuses on violence and related issues. The Prime Minister hinted at the proposal for the new ministry a few weeks ago in the House of Representatives. Days later, Opposition Leader Mark Golding said it was illogical as the country has ministries of national security and justice. On Sunday, Andrew Holness indicated that the study from the Commission for Violence Prevention, which is expected by the end of the year, will guide the process.
And when that study comes in, we are going to reorganize the government to create and bring all the agencies that deal with families, communities, social development, parenting. We're going to bring all of them together under one ministry. I'm thinking of calling it the Ministry of Peace and Human Development, but maybe that won't be the name.
Turning to the issue of garbage collection, the Prime Minister said plans to close the Riverton City dump in St. Andrew are far advanced. He reiterated plans to privatize the collection of waste.
We are now going to privatize the collection of waste in Jamaica. This is going to create a new incentive for the collection of garbage. It is going to bring new investments into garbage compactors, and it is going to bring new management to the process of garbage collection.
The National Solid Waste Management Authority will then assume the role of regulator. Now, Jamaica has been heavily criticized for not voting at the UN for a humanitarian truce between Israel and Hamas. On Sunday, the Prime Minister said Jamaica condemns terrorism and supports the rights of nations to defend themselves while preserving the rights of innocent civilians.
We are deeply concerned at the rising human cost in the Palestinian-Israeli conflict, and we welcome the current pause in hostilities. We urge all parties to seek a permanent solution, and we remain convinced that this can only be achieved by a negotiated two-state solution enabling the Palestinians and Israelis to live securely in peace and dignity.